Hello everyone, my name is Somu Ujjwal Attarde and I am the student of Zero to Hero in English Academy from Diamond Batch. And now I am learning in 7th standard from RGC English High School from English medium. And my dream is to become a super advanced English speaker till 16 August 2024. And my ambition is to become an IAS officer till 2035. So let's begin. Today our topic name is about ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. तर आज आपण समजून घेऊया मला काय ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मिळालं. झिरो टू हिरो क्लासेस जॉईन केल्यानंतर मला ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन बोलण्याचं मिळालं. जसं की मी जेव्हा 5वीत होतो तेव्हा मला काहीच इंग्लिश येत नव्हतं. मला इंग्लिश टॉकिंग म्हणजे माहीतच नव्हतं. पण मी जेव्हा ह्या क्लास जॉईन केला त्यानंतर मला मार्गदर्शनामुळे आणि माझ्या स्ट्रगल्समुळे मला आता इंग्लिश बोलता येते. When I was in 5th standard, so on that time I was not able to speak in English. But when I came in this class, because of my struggles and because of guidance, now I am able to speak English. This is my tremendous transformation that I can told to today with share to you, because this transformation I could not imagine in my life that I can get it, because I was the boy that is afraid of English. I don't want English in my life, but Gautam sir has changed my life. By teaching me, I feel happy in this class, and this is my transformation that now I am able to speak good English. Thank you.